Welcome back. Let me tell you about our next guest, one of the most successful music directors we have had in our industry, Annu Malik. Annu and his wife Anju and their daughters Ada and Anmol make a beautiful family. Annu has been famous since the Bazigar days, with other hits like Border, Virasat, and many more. But one thing I've noticed is that whenever he has created music, no two tunes ever sound the same. And whenever there has been a controversy with his work, he has always proved his detractors wrong. That is the spirit that I really applaud and respect. And all his songs go on to become big hits. He really seems to know the pulse of the masses and is still moving with time, even as his daughters are making their forays into the music world. Oh, hi.
Look who's here. Look who's here.
I'm so happy to have you on our...
So happy to see you.
And
the one and only Talat Aziz is also
yes,
here.
Absolutely.
अच्छा आपने मुझे बताया नहीं कि ये आ रहे हैं.
Well, I have
You
two
haven't
tall
told me.
and handsome
By the way,
men.
इन्होंने नहीं बताया कि आप आ रहे हैं.
अच्छा देखो ये मेरा डायलॉग आपने चुरा लिया.
Aye,
So
please,
good to
please,
see you.
come
So
and
good to
sit
see you,
down.
Talat bhai. So happy to see you.
माशाल्लाह.
Thank you.
I can't believe two tall, handsome men going to be on my show. I feel too happy, you know.
But honestly, Zarine, I personally am so privileged to be here. A, because I've always loved you as a human being, as a person, and I've loved Sanjay sir, and I love your kids.
But tell me, how is your beautiful wife and your kids, Ada, Anmol? I believe Anmol has got into music.
Anmol has got into music in a huge way. In fact, I was very happy when she sang this recent film, which became a huge hit. Talat bhai, if you remember, Tanu Weds Manu Returns.
Of course,
she
yes.
sang that jazz number, I Might Be Sentimental.
Oh, really?
And people loved it. And now she's singing a lot of songs. And the younger one, Ada, is into fashion. She just graduated from Parsons University in fashion, and she's completely into designing.
Time moves on, you know. I really tell you, it's just one of those things.
I'm so happy to see Talat bhai here. He's done some great work as a singer. And I think at this point of time, when you say old friends, we go a long way back.
You know, we go a long way back. I think 1981.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I want you both, maestros and the singer, to make, if you really are happy with me, the way you say, you've got to compose some new tune.
And you know, guess what? I've got a harmonium.
Oh, wow! That is
Hi,
going to be
harmonium,
too...
तो आप लेके आइए. Harmonium.
Harmonium लेकर आया हूँ.
Is there somebody now who can get the harmonium? ले आप ले आइए.
अन्नू की खासियत ये है कि he tunes on the spot.
तो अभी बताइए,
So this is the next. मुझे बताओ कौन सा क्या लफ्ज है?
मैंने रोका भी नहीं और वो ठहरा भी नहीं. हादसा क्या था जिसे दिल ने बुलाया भी. मैंने रोका भी नहीं और वो ठहरा भी नहीं.
और वो ठहरा भी नहीं. और वो ठहरा
भी नहीं.
हादसा
क्या था जिसे
हादसा क्या था जिसे
दिल ने बुलाया भी नहीं.
दिल ने भुलाया भी नहीं.
दिल ने बुलाया
Too good.
भी नहीं.
So you know, Zarine, the beauty of this song is that it just came out.
I know.
And I keep on composing like that. I'm
today.
enjoying this atmosphere where you are there. You are our inspiration, Zarine.
Really? How
You are the
sweet.
inspiration. So let's go for a new word.
वो शाम भला अब क्यों यादों से नहीं जाती.
वो शाम
भला अब क्यों यादों से नहीं जाती.
वो शाम
भला अब
क्यों वो छोड़ा यादों से नहीं जाती.
यादों से नहीं जाती.
So let's repeat it. Let's learn this.
वो शाम भला अब क्यों यादों से नहीं जाती.
आगे.
कदमों के तेरी आहट
कदमों की तेरी आहट
यादों से नहीं जाती.
कदमों की
तेरी आहट
Ah,
यादों से नहीं जाती.
And then put string. Rum.
Really?
That's the beauty of when like-minded people, musicians, actual musicians get together.
Zarine, I'm going to tell you something. I'm feeling starved.
let us go and eat. We made the prawn palau.
Oh my
today.
God, I love it.
And,
I love
and
it.
shall I tell you something? He has helped me make it, but I'm just joking. If it's bad, it's his fault. If it's
She's
good,
the
it's my
main
fault.
gourmet
It
chef.
cannot be a bad
Chalo,
prawn
chalo,
biryani.
chalo,
Let's
let's
go.
go.
I'm the
Let's go.
sous chef.
Let's go.
Shoot.
Let's go and have. We've earned our lunch.
Come.
We've earned our lunch.
Absolutely. Come on.